What antibiotic is given for kennel cough? Examples of common antibiotics used in serious cases are doxycycline, trimethoprim sulfa, Clavamox, or Baytril. Even cured pets may still be contagious to other pets, since pets infected with Bordetella can shed bacteria for 6 to 10 weeks.